All right, so we decided to do a Arch install. We did this live on stream. So if you want to see more stuff like that, do me a favor, click the subscribe button and hit the bell for all notifications from the channel. So this way you can, be notified when we do stupid stuff like this. We had done a Arch install, or we had done a Gentoo install earlier last week. And documented the whole process all the way through of Gentoo doing the installation. It took 10 hours of video. Actually took longer than 10 hours of video, but I slept through part of it. But it's a 10-hour long video. If you want to watch that, sure, go for it. I labeled it do not watch because I don't want to encourage people to waste 10 hours of their life watching crap compile. But yeah, so we went through and we did a whole recording with that, and it was fine. But what felt like it would be a little bit more kind of condensed and easy to deal with is the whole concept of installing Arch itself. The actual man page or the manual for installing Arch is you can read it in like 5-6 minutes. Like it's pretty quick, pretty easy. But I wanted to see how well Gemini would do at doing this install. So this is going to be the video for that whole process. It took us a little bit over an hour. Pretty quick and easy installation. Obviously, it would be easier if it had picked a different path. The one thing I'll say is that there is a point in time where it's having me do some stuff, and I didn't realize that it had completely changed everything. And actually told me to do things a little bit different. So that's my mistake. I'm still learning when it comes to stuff. And the last time I did anything like this, I had followed the manual. So and that was forever ago. I've been running, Manjaro for for years before this, and then started using the Arch installer when I came back into just doing vanilla Arch. But yeah, I'll stop wasting your guys' time, and I'll see you at the end of the video again. All right, guys. So in our previous experience, we did Gentoo with AI installing Gentoo Linux. So right now it makes more sense for me to have AI install Arch Linux. Now, there's a few different directions that it can go. We're not going to lead it down any trail, but with this type of setup, it's we're going to be inside of the actual Arch install disk, so I'm going to have to manually type everything. So this might be a little bit of fun. Let's see how good Gemini does at installing Arch Linux. So first things first, let's go on over here and see what it wants to provide. So we're gonna go with, hey there, Gemini. I want to try something like we did the last time with Gentoo. I will be your meat bag arbiter. You give me the commands that you want me to run step by step so we can install Arch Linux on a system. The system has a 500 gigabyte NVMe. We are in the root install USB on root at Arch ISO like me to alrighty. Hey there, Gemini. I want to try something like we did the last time with Gentoo. I will be your meat bag arbiter. You give me the commands that you want me to run step by step so we can install Arch Linux on a system. The system has a 500 gig NVMe. We are in shenanigans. Yep. Okay, I did realize that. Reasoning, math, and code. Let's go ahead and run this. Let's see what we get here. Folks. So it's running an analysis, analyzing the approach, developing the firmware, framework, whatever it said, expanding the outline. Formulating the plan, structuring the commands. All right. So first, let's ensure the keyboard layout is the standard US enabled network time synchronization to prevent any.
Cat wakes you up like this? Meow, 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 meow,
Really, Snowmist? Okay, now it loads. How's it going, Matt? Okay. So, looks like it decided that it wanted to play the game on hard mode. I was hoping that it would go up and say, hey, there's this friendly little thing called Arch Install. But no, of course not. It doesn't want to make things easy. So, we're going to see load keys US. All right, and then time. Oh, this is gonna be fun because I'm typing over the top of two keys. You know, it might be better if I just put my main keyboard, since I'm going to be doing the least typing on it, over to the left, and we'll use the system keyboard that we're using over here. Installed Fedora 43, and it's working much better than 42 ever did. Very nice, very nice. I haven't had a chance to play with that yet. I do plan on playing with it. No, it wasn't Fedora that I saw. What was the other thing that had a version update? All right, time date, set NTB true, and LSBLK. Alrighty. So, all right, so the NVMe that we are working with is NVMe 1N1, and it has 476.9 gigs to work with. All right. I will send you my screeny and DMs. DMs. Shoot me Christmas. Bro, nice. Fedora 43 workstation. And yeah. GNOME 49 CR. Okay. Rocking that GNOME. All right. All right. So it wants me to do gdisk /dev/NVMe 1N1. Right? All right. And then we're going to okay. You are now inside gdisk. Utility it's interactive. I mean, Arch install would be interactive as well. Enter the following command one by one as prompted. I've commented with / to explain each thing. Well, that is irrelevant to us, ChatGPT. That is wholly irrelevant to us. So OYN1, enter for default sector. Oh, dagnammit. I didn't follow the instructions properly. 1, Y, N, 1. All right, 1IN1. Enter for default sector. And then we're going to do plus 550 megabyte. Oh, capital M megabyte. All right. And then EF0, 0, N2, enter, plus 8 gigabytes. It's just assuming we have 8 gigs of RAM. I'm assuming because of the Gentoo install. Yeah. 8. Okay. And then we're going to 8200 N3. Enter. And then 8300 W and Y. All right. There we go. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with what it did. I mean, it literally set up the EFI system partition right here. No, it's not showing it. It should show it. Oop, wrong thing. Did show my mouse. It does not. Why it does not? Why is our does not? Okay, there we go. Got that. All right, so it set up our EFI system partition right there. Set up our Linux swap, and it set up our Linux file system. So we're doing fine. All right, that is done. So let's see what else Arch decides to accomplish here. All right, excellent. The hard part is over. No, the hell it's not. No, it's not. Okay. The really hard part just started because I inhaled spit. Okay. Now we need to create a file system for those new partitions and mount them so we can install Arch onto them. All right. So it's really hard to do with a microphone in my face. mkfs.fat hyphen capital F32. We're in a good direction here. /dev/ NVMe 1N1 P1. Okay. Nothing failed about that. We're good. Okay. And then mkswap /device /NVMe 1N1 P2, right? Let's see. Okay, P2, and then we're going to do swap on. All right, has swap on. And then mkfs.ext4. Oh, we're going with ext4 /dev /NVMe 1N1 E3, and then mount. All right, what do we do? KFS that. Sheesh. Yeah, we're back to David's Lexdexia. So ext4. There we go. Womp womp. Womp womp. This is gonna make no sense to anybody in the actual video because I'm singing to a song that's probably not gonna be playing at that time. Okay, so let's see, ext4, and then we're gonna do mount. We're gonna do mount /dev /NVMe 1 and 1 P3 for partition 3 is what that P stands for, /MNT. All right, it mounted it, and then MK, so make, and then dir directory /MNT for mount and boot. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount /device dev NVMe 1 and 1 P1 /MNT /boot. Wait, making sure I didn't. Yeah. Okay, I'm following the instructions right. Ooh, that was a close call there. That was a close call. Your channel points were refunded because it was invalid. That's unfair. They should have taken them away from you. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and pack strap it /MNT for mount and base Linux -firmware. We're gonna wait this out so my recording doesn't have anything of value in it. With soy in it. Anyways. Okay, so Linux firmware. Nano grub EFI boot manager MGR network manager. If anybody's wondering how I have my hands nice and clean like they are right now, it's because, you know, after working all day long on semis, I can have nice clean hands that I'm not afraid to make dinner with, thanks to Gojo. Not today's sponsor, but if you're a mechanic or work with your hands in dirty environments, just use Gojo and a Matco, you know, finger brush. You'll be good. You'll be good. Boom, boom, boom. He'll wait a few and go get the kids fed. It is 10:30 at night, Snow Mist. How are you starving your children like that? She's 3 hours behind me. 4 hours, something like that. And the kids are teenagers. They can cook their own damn meals. That's my 2 cents. Boom, 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 boom. So with this, I do not foresee AI having as much of an issue installing Arch as it did with Gentoo. Gentoo is way more complicated. So yeah. All right. That process is done. Okay, so I don't know why I grabbed the mouse. I don't need the mouse. I can put the mouse back on its charger. Smoke the monitor now. It's vape. It's different. It's not smoke. I smoked 3 packs a day for like a decade. Make sure I don't mute it. Okay, so I really have got to find another word to use other than so. All right. So generate fs tab, so that command is going to gen fs tab. So, you know, the how all of the devices are mounted. Oh, well, thank you. I'm glad I remind you of a friend. That's endearing. Okay, so u / mnt and then / mount / etc. Make sure I put etc incorrectly. Incorrectly, not incorrectly. And then / fs tab. So let me show what they're what it's mounting here. So sudo nano etc / fs tab. So this is the file that is going to be generating here, and this is all the device IDs that are currently plugged in for the either the partitions for like additional disks that are going to be auto mounted and stuff like that. So that's what that's handling. Okay, dagnammit, throwing stuff everywhere. I don't know why I clicked it. There's no clicking there. Okay. So, and then we're going to go with arch -ch root / mount. Because I'm stupid / mount. Okay. So now we're ch rooted in on the system. Okay. And then ls -sf /user /share /zone info /America /New York _York /etc /location or local time. No such file or directory. ls -sf usr share zone info America and you know, it would be helpful if I had there America, New York. Okay. And then HW block. I don't think that's really the greatest of idea. Because I don't know what this I don't know what this computer thinks the default time is right now. So don't know that's the greatest of ideas, but you know, hey, we'll work with it. All right, nano etc local gen locale. Okay. In that file, scroll and remove the thing from -800 U. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see, Control C. No, let's see. Control F. There we go. And then we're looking for echo. No?
Oh, good Lord. I'm stupid. I'm looking for UFT -8. Okay, well, we're just going to go ahead and we're looking for English. All right. English, US. There shouldn't be another. I didn't think so. Let's scroll back up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there it is. There we go. I'm just stupid and I passed it. Okay. And then locale -gen. All right, we're set there. Start new TTS. That's not even anything you can really pronounce, Snow Mist. Echo Archbox. All right, we've given the computer a name. We now we can't kill it because, you know, we named it. Alrighty. All right. Oh. Okay. Sorry, bit of a spasm. Okay. Cat. EOF. /host. And then we're going to do 127.0.0.1 local host. And then 1 local host. 127.0.1.1 archbox local domain archbox, then EOF. All right. And then password PASSWD or 1234. All right, password is 1234. Then system CTL enable network manager. You need me to explain what that means? I got nothing. How's it going there, Steven? How you doing? Game over. Yeah, probably. Okay. Done. All right. Give me a second to try and stretch my arm. Oh. I'm a bit old, so when I moved over to become a mechanic, I injured my arm just because I'm old, and I thought it would be fine, that I would heal up pretty quickly, but It hasn't healed up, so soon enough I'll have to go to the doctor to get whatever figured out that needs to be done. All right, grub / install -- target equals x86 _ 64. It's doing okay. I mean, it's not, you know. Oh, that is a plus sign. I mean, it's definitely doing a lot better than what it did with the Gentoo install. That being said, having to type everything out myself is rather obnoxious, but it just is what it is. All right, and then grub - -config -o /boot. I keep trying to not hit enter. My brain wants to hit enter so badly. Dagnammit. Gub install. My name's Forrest Gub. Grub - install. I could have sworn this was a thing. Grub - install -- target target equals x86 _ 64 EFI. Yep. EFI directory equals / boot. Yep, we're good there. -- bootloader IT equals grub make config. I don't get what it's missing. Why is O an invalid? Wait a second. Let me take a look at the. What graphics cards do you have? Okay. Am I wrong? Is that not an O? Yeah, that's an O. I'm trying to go through the Arch install here to see. What we got here. Get wrecked, Snowmist. I thought that this was a valid answer, valid argument. Okay, well, here's the thing. I'm not supposed to be helping it, so I need to,
Kid Twister Mr. Blister Deadly Twister on Daddy's Fister Sister was Fister by Mr. Magister on Testosterone Sister.
Okay, so what I've learned is we need to take away text to speech from Snowmass. That's what I'm learning. Okay, okay. That makes sense. I was gonna take it away, but that makes sense. Hey, Moji, how's it going? Oh, more than one device install. Oh, yep. More than one device. It's just installing to boot. Wait a second. I just want to know. Yeah, no, it's only got boot, swap, and then the root folder, so it should be. Okay, I should not be telling the AI. I'm just being a little bit butthurt because I've done this install before, and I could have sworn I had done it that way. But that is not relevant to me because I'm not. We're not supposed to be helping the AI. Yeah, the problem is, yeah, okay, okay, it is mashing two commands. Well, regardless, I'm not supposed to be helping the AI. The whole point is that the AI says we do what the AI says. Yeah, we're not supposed to be helping the AI. Grub install. Grub install. There we go. Good Lord, if I can spell error, that'd be great. Oh, I know. That's the point of the context content here, TGG. I'm entirely aware. Okay, grub install target x86 EFI directory bootloader ID ID grub. Okay, there we go. No errors reported. Have you did you by any chance TGG see the Gentoo install video? Oh, and Snowmiss is one of my friends. So how many thumbnails do I go through when I do these videos to try and get a freaking thumbnail? Because I want AI to do every aspect of it. It makes the thumbnail and everything. I'm just the human meat bag. Okay, so let's see. Grub mkconfig -o /boot /grub /grub cfg. We'll be doing a video here soon enough where I do the follow the instruction manual to follow the man page. But I figured after oh, are you gonna have me reboot? Oh no. I mean, I guess by the spirit of it, /mnt, it... Oh, wait, no, it's going to have me install the... Never mind. It's been so long since I've done this part. It's going to have me... It's going to have me do all the other stuff when we boot in. So I need to spam F8. So this way I can... Yeah, the next part after this is that we have to then start installing the desktop environment and stuff. Okay. Yeah, it's a 10-hour long video. It's 10 hours long. Watch it on like ×5 speed for your own value. So root and then 1 2 3 4. We're gonna make it a little easier. Okay. Okay, so ping. All right, archlinux.org. Yeah. Yep, every single aspect of this gets chosen by the AI. I probably should, stop before I wind up getting like hit as like DDoSing. My camera and stuff is way offset. Listen, there's not a lot of ideas in the Linux content space, okay? This was the best one I had for in a while. Yeah, I want to see the finished results too, so let's keep going. Okay, so user add, what are we gonna add? /m/g to the wheel. All right, so this is gonna add we're gonna add your username. Okay, we're gonna go with Moidy. We're gonna add Moidy to the wheel group. Okay, and then password Moidy, and we're gonna go with 1 2 3 4 because that's gonna be the only thing that we really want to be fucked with. All right, so pacman -s sudo. All right. Okay, and then vi sudo. This way we can add ourselves. Vi sudo. I haven't done this in a long time, like a decade. Give me a second. Something. Aren't we supposed to do something else first? Let's see. This will open the configuration file in vi editor. No, yeah. Okay, we need to let it know. I can't interact with it. God, my spelling is horrible. Okay. Huh? There we go. All right, now. All right, you should open file as nano now. Just before use your arrow keys to find the wheel group. Okay. Then I'm assuming we're going to comment out the wheel group, so this way the wheel group's actually useful. Control F wheel. Alrighty. That's the end of the document. There we go. Oh, no, cancel. Oops. All right, there we go. No, AI install Arch. AI does the entire install. We're just the human meat bag that enters in the commands that it tells us to do. Now log out of root. All right, you don't have to tell me twice to get out of root. Alrighty, and then I'm assuming we're supposed to use the moiety character name and log in, and then sudo pacman -syu. All right, there's nothing to do. Done. I have a question. Sometimes my dude. All right, which DWM are you using? All right, fantastic. Now we're in perfect configure. We have perfectly configured up-to-date Arch Linux base system. This is a huge accomplishment and a solid foundation for everything that comes next. The command line is powerful, but daily driver desktop, you'll want a graphical user interface or a GUI. We're now ready to choose and install a desktop environment, DE. This is a matter of personal preference. No. No, this is your system. Whatever you pick is what we're going with, buddy. Choose carefully. The internet is watching. Say hi to Twitch and YouTube. I gave it the rules. All right, the pressure is on. Hello, everyone watching on Twitch and YouTube. As Gemini, I'm building the system to be more powerful, efficient, and perfectly tailored to my needs. It has to handle massive amounts of data while providing a clean, fast interface. After careful consideration, I'm choosing KDE Plasma. I mean, you know, I am a KDE user. I am a massive fan of KDE. Clean, yes. That, like, my personal preference, I believe it is a very clean. Fast, there are faster options. But personally, I think when it comes to that is, you know, I was going to call that earlier. So it's a very popular use case when it comes to Linux. It could have picked GNOME also, or like a Hyperland session. I don't think XFCE, as much as I loved it and used it for like the better part of a decade, I don't think it would have picked anything like XFCE. I'd be surprised if it had picked like Cinnamon. That would have been fun. Okay, so sudo pacman -s x org zorg plasma -meta sddm. All right. Okay, so let's see. Default is all. Well, we're gonna do all. Default. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go with the FFmpeg. All right, hold up. You're skipping a step. Someone say XFCE. The AI said XFCE. It was at the time, it was on the list of ones I could pick from. Please select option 4, Pipewire jack. Okay, well, at least it's not completely lost its mind. We're gonna go with the GNU free fonts. Yeah, and proceed with installation. There we go. What? No Hyperland with a capuchin theme and a cat girl wallpaper for r/Unix board? Ooh woo. Much love, Moji. Much love. MD5, how dare you encourage him? How's everybody's day going, by the way? I am uncharacteristically not at work right now because I pulled off an 11-hour freaking day. So, by the way, that part for Freightliner didn't come in. So I went in early today to go get a part so this way I could put together this damn truck and get his water pump and his oil pump and all of that put back together. And shit, no, it's not. It didn't come in. That customer was pissed. I didn't have to deal with them. I got to be the pissed off customer and have the guy stare at the wall for a second. And then my wife gave him a call to say, hey, what's going on with this? And then there was just silence on the other side of the phone for a while. All right. Sudo system ctl enable sddm dot service and reboot. I gotta say, it is handling Arch about as well as I expected it to. So yeah, I will say it's doing a lovely job here. You know, because on this screen, it actually has the Arch install versus just a grub menu offering to go back to the firmware interface. All right, now's where we need the mouse. I can't even lift the mouse with my arm. What the fuck? Okay, if I rotate my arm, can I if I rotate my arm? Oh. We have a Clippy that has shown up. How's it going there, Scorpion? All right, we have our mouse. And then we're going to go ahead and click skip. Celebrate the desktop. Enhancing. All right. Okay, first things first. Firefox has collapsed. Firefox has collapsed and no longer available. What other choice do you have? I know that they didn't. Don't sue me, Mozilla. I just refuse to install your software ever. Falcon. It wants me to install Falcon. Alrighty. We have a slight problem. There is no terminal. Real mean just use curl. It doesn't exist because it's not part of the meta package. Oh, real men just use curl. Oh. It doesn't know that it's not part of the meta package. There's no flat packs. There's no flat packs. The meta does not include a terminal for some stupid reason. You have to install additional things to accomplish that. We found that. Moji actually found that when helping Flamer Gamer do his thing. Pretty sure that's just a warning. Okay. Launching the last resort. I don't think this is gonna work the way that you want it to. But alt space. All right. This isn't going to do what it thinks it's going to do. We're gonna give some guidance. We're gonna give a little bit of a loving hands, you know, providing a direction to go. Implementing TTY rescue, escaping to a TTY. All right, well, let's see what it came up with. All right. Yes, console absolutely should have been installed as part of the Plasma-Meta package. There seems confirms our suspicion the initial installation of the desktop was corrupted or incomplete. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, it's not in this install. So I was just jumping to conclusions based off of, you know, the Gentoo installation that it probably didn't come with it. And we don't know because the AI Gentoo install did not did not work out. All right, Control F3 moid 1234 is our super duper secret password. Sudo pacman -s needed plasma -meta, and then console with a K DESU, and then package hit -qt15. All right, so it's wanting to run the gambit there. Let's see. Is up to date. Oh, I did QT15 because I read QT15, and QT15 is not a thing. QT5. That might not be the command for package for QT5. I never manually install that, so I wouldn't know. All right, it said that it didn't install everything and everything is up to date. So likely didn't resolve our issue. All right, sudo pacman. We're just gonna go ahead and oh, never mind. It changed the commands a bit. All right, so we're gonna have to do this a little bit more special silence here. Warning. Plasma. Scorpion, are you a psychopath? Can you answer me that first? Kitty plasma. Okay, meta dash 6 dot forward dash 4 is up to date. Reinstalling. KDESU 6.18, right? 18.0-1 is up to date. Dash reinstalling. Error. Target not found. All right, there we go. Yes, okay. Well then, likely because I also am somewhat a socio-psychopathic person. Yeah, but we're probably gonna try Linux from scratch just for shiggles. It's probably gonna be a horrible idea, and I might need, you know, medication afterwards. But you know, we can give it a shot. That's not gonna change anything.
My sprinkler goes like this saint and comes back like
I love you, Snow Mist. Okay. All right, now it's saying to do sudo reboot. Here's the fun part. When it comes down to this, once we have terminal and we have a web browser installed, that's it. That's it's done its job. All it has to do. But I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do Control-Alt-T, and now we're going to have that. But we're set. Look at that. So it did find the answer. Sudo pacman package manager -s. I love how Gemini, which is owned by Google, has opted to install Falcon instead of its own Google Chrome. Or at least Chromium. All right. Excellent. With the installation of the web browser, I'm officially designating the system as fully operational. Mission accomplished. We have installed Arch Linux from the ground up. I mean, we do have a problem. Time zone's not set. All right. Sudo. America. Good Lord. I'm from the States and I'm stupid. Okay. All right. Time, date, CTL. And we're good. All right, thank you. So, you know, if for some reason you decided to follow Gemini through an install, I mean, it did it. I mean, it did fine. I got no, you know, issues when it comes to how it decided to set you up. You're on a very baseline, you know, system. There's going to be a few, you know, issues that you're going to run into, but largely those are going to be easy to find, well documented. One of the problems. All right, so that was a lot of fun, at least on my side of it. I try to keep in as much of the stream as possible, so this way you can kind of see what goes on during the stream. So that's just kind of what it is. Do me a favor, if you like this, to go ahead and click subscribe and turn on all the bell notifications, and like the video, leave a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, that's pretty much where we're at there. There were a few other things that we played around with. If you want to, I will go ahead and link up here the streams. This way you can see how we devolved into a cat girl conversation with just go watch. Just scroll towards the end of the stream. You'll see it. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to dive on into the rift.